Every place you wanna call a workshop needs a workbench. I'm really sick and tired of making everything on the floor, as you can see me doing now, so it's finally time to build one. I will use a construction wood for the base, namely 10 by 10 centimeters and 10 by 4 centimeter boards. The popular choice in similar tables I've seen is to use 2 by 4s in freedom units, and they are simply screwed together. But here I came up with a different idea for a joinery, and I really don't know how to call that joint. Maybe a half castle joint or something like that. Don't ask me how this happened, but the looped footage that you're watching now is about everything I have regarding putting this base together. The whole thing will be 250 centimeters long and 62 centimeters wide, which happens to be exactly half the width of the standard OSB sheet, which I will use for the top. Since I tend to overbuild everything, I decided that one sheet of OSB won't do it. And I've stuck two of them, forming a sturdy 44mm top. And here I'm trying to coat it with something that was supposed to be a furniture dedicated paint, but in reality it was a complete piece of crap. So in the end I've just used a regular universal paint. Those pieces will become the lower shelf, for which I also made a completely unnecessary and overbuilt support. Adding the top pushed the weight of the whole workbench somewhere around 95 kilos. You might notice the wheel assembly that I will have to address again in the future, as after adding the vise and other tools, the hinges for this system simply gave up. But Hannah the cat loves the new workbench with or without the wheels. Now every time she sees me walking into the workshop, she has a guaranteed 10 minutes of attention. Catch you next time.